Powered flying controls. These are needed because of heavy loads imposed on the controls due to flight at high speed or movement of large control surfaces. Stick forces may be reduced by using hydraulic power in the form of fully powered or power-assisted controls. The components include a hydraulic actuator, a servo control valve, an artificial feed unit. Feedback provides a feel which is proportional to air loads on the control surfaces. Power-assisted controls. A force is needed to move the control surface, provided partly by the pilot and partly by the power system. The pilot has feel of the control surface loads. If a fault occurs, control can be maintained by manual means. Fully powered controls. The movements of controls is transmitted to an actuator, which provides the force necessary to move the control surfaces. The pilot has no feel of the control surface loads, as there is no feedback of the aerodynamic forces on the control surfaces. Powered controls are irreversible. Movement of the control surface cannot move the control column. If a fault occurs, control can be maintained by manual means, or there may be more than one system, each having an individual hydraulic circuit. Feel must be provided by artificial methods. Artificial feel units. These give the pilot a control feel which is proportional to the speed of the aircraft and the amount of control surface movement made. Feel may be provided through a spring which exerts a constant load for a given control position. It's not ideal since the resistance to control movement does not vary with speed. Some systems provide a force which is proportional to dynamic pressure, Q, hence the term Q feel. A unit senses pitot and static pressure, and through a hydraulic servo valve provides a force which opposes control column movement. The faster the aircraft flies, the greater the resisting force. Large control movement will have a similar effect as high-speed flight. Trimming is achieved by altering the zero position of the artificial feel unit. There are no trailing edge trim tabs.